Good morning, children. Open your New Sparkle semester series, standard 2nd, semester 2nd book. Yesterday we have completed activity language development. Change the underlined letter by any other letter to make a meaningful word from the story. And also second one, select the correct word from the brackets. Yes. Page number 36. Activity language development. Change the underlined letter by any other letter to make a meaningful word from the story. Second one, select the correct word from the brackets and fill in the blanks. We have completed. Okay. Now see third one. See the third one. See here. Use the following adjectives to make sentences of your own. Use the following adjectives to make sentences of your own. Kind. Kind. Kind is there now? Yes. Our class teacher. Mrs. Swati is very kind to us. Our class teacher, our CLASS class, TEACHER teacher, Mrs. MRS, Swati, 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 IS is very, 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 kind, KIND, kind to, TO, us. Now, cruel. Cruel. Do not be cruel to animals. Do not be cruel to animals. So, do not, DONTBEB, cruel, CRUL, cruel to, TO, animals, ANIMALS. Then C1. A, B is over, C, greed. Kind is over, cruel is over, greed. We must buy things as per our needs and not for greed. Greed. We must, we must buy, buy things, THINGS things, as per, per, our, our, needs, NEEDS needs, NEEDS needs, and NOT not for, FOR for greed, GREED greed. Hard working. D1 is hard working. My father is very hard working. My father is very hard working. My FATHER father. IS is very, VERY very, HARD hard working. WORKING working. Lazy. LAZY. Tarun is a lazy boy. Tarun is a lazy boy. TARUN. Tarun, IS is a lazy, LAZY, BOI boy. Happy. Tanya, TANYA. Tanya is a happy girl. TANYA. Tanya, IS is a happy, HAPPY, happy girl. GIRL. Okay. Now, here. A greedy dog. Spotty and Fluffy. Okay. Spotty and Fluffy were two dogs. They were friends. What we have to do? Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct keywords, complete the story, complete the story. Keywords. Here it has been given the words. We have to fill in the blanks. Okay, this is a small story. A greedy dog. Spotty and Fulfy were two dogs. They were friends. Right. Friends. They were friends. Fulfy was a happy dog. Spotty was a greedy. Spotty was a greedy dog. It always wanted more. It wanted more food. FWOD. Food. Wanted more food. So, one day, Fulfy found a bone. He gave half of the bone to Spotty. Spotty happily ate it. The next day, Spotty found a big bone. He did not want to share. He did not want to write here share. SHARE. Share it with his friend. Slowly, what he did? Slowly he walked. WALKED. Walked away so that he could eat the whole bone himself. Eat the whole. WHOLE. Whole bone himself. He reached a small stream. He reached a small stream. He started walking on a small bridge. BRIDGE. Bridge on the stream. Suddenly he stopped. He saw another dog with a bone in the stream. Right here. STREAM. Stream. He wanted to have that bone too. He started barking. BARKING. Barking at the other dog. As he opened his mouth, the bone in his mouth fell. FELL fell into the stream. Spotty lost his big bone. There was no dog in the stream. It was his own. Okay, see here. You can see, no? It was his own reflection. Reflection spelling. FLECTION. Reflection. Okay. What happened? See, this is a greedy dog. I will tell you the story. Spotty and Fulfy, they were friends. They were best friends. Fulfy was a happy dog and Spotty was a greedy dog. Greedy means, you can say, greedy जिसको बोलते हैं उसके पास रहता है फिर भी उसे औरों का चाहिए. Greedy dog. It always wanted more food. It always wanted more food. One day, Fulfi, what happened? Fulfi found a bone. Fulfi found a bone. He gave half of the bone to Spotty. See, Spotty is so good, no? Spotty happily ate it. The next day, Spotty found a big bone. He did not want to share. He did not want to share. Eat with his friend. Slowly he walked away so that he could eat the whole bone himself. He could eat the whole bone himself. He reached a small stream. He started walking on a seer. You can see now stream. Walking, stream, seer. Bridge. Small bridge. He started walking on a small bridge. On the stream. नीचे पानी ऊपर ब्रिज दिख रहा है ना तुम्हें? ओके. Suddenly he stopped. He saw another dog with a bone in the stream. ये पानी, stream means ये पानी में जब ब्रिज के ऊपर से वो देख रहा है ना, seer. He seeing his own reflection. What he thought, he wanted to have that bone too. He saw another dog in the reflection. Here what he seer, वो अपना ही छवि पानी में देख रहा है. उसको लग रहा है कि वो और एक डॉग है यहाँ पे with a bone in his mouth. He wanted to have that bone too. He started barking, bhaw bhaw, at the dog, other dog. As he opened his mouth, the bone in his mouth fell into the stream. It fell into the stream. Spotty lost his big bone. There was no dog in the stream. It was his own reflection. वो उसकी खुद की छवि थी. सो इंसान को बहुत ग्रीडी, हग्गुरा नहीं होना चाहिए. जितना अपने पास होता है उसी से हम लोग सेटिस्फाइड होना चाहिए. वी शुड बी सेटिस्फाइड विथ वॉट वी हैव. You written, no? Read and learn the above story. This story you have to read and learn the story. Activity. Read and activity grammar opposites. Read and remember. Opposites are word pairs that are totally different in meaning. Observe the pictures. Select the correct word from the box and fill in the blanks. A log of wood is dash. A log of wood is dash. A log of wood is dash. Yes, a log of wood is heavy. Write it. H-E-A-V-Y. Heavy. A pencil is light. G-H-T. Light. Tarun is a young boy. Young. Y-O-U-N-G. Young boy. Grandfather is an old, O-L-D, old man. Old man. Then we have completed A and B. We have completed. Come to the C. Mr. Kamath is a dash man. Mr. Kamath is a dash man. Tall man. Mr. Kamath is a tall. T-A-L-L, tall. Mr. Deep is a short man. Short. S-H-O-R-T. Short. Mr. Vass, Mr. Vass is a man, M-A-N, man. Mrs. Vass is a woman, W-O-M-A-N, woman. Woman. Now, second one, unscramble and write the words opposite in meaning to the given words. Now, see here. Clean into, see here. Clean. Clean means what? Clean. Opposite what will come? Dirty. See here. D-I-R-T-Y. D-I-R-T-Y. Then sit. When I tell you to sit, what will you say? Stand. Sit, stand. See here. S-T-A-N-D. Stand. S-T-A-N-D. Stand. Day, night. N-I-G-H-T. N-I-G-H-T. Inside, outside. O-U-T-S-I-D-E. Outside. Good, bad. B-A-D. Good, bad. Empty, full. F-U-L-L. Hot, cold. C-O-L-D. Hot, cold. C-O-L-D. Then dry, wet. W-E-T. W-E-T. Have you understood? Clean, dirty. Sit, stand. Day, night. Inside, outside. Good, bad. Empty, full. Hot, cold. Dry, wet. These all have been scrambled over here, and we have to write the words opposite in meaning to the given words. Clean, dirty. This way you have to write. Have you understood? Okay. Now, third one, complete each sentence with the opposite of the underlined word. Sanya wanted to be happy, but she is. Sanya wanted to be happy, but she is unhappy. U-N, unhappy. H-A-P-P-Y, unhappy. B1. Sunil wants a soft towel, but the towel is rough. R-O-U-G-H. Tanu wants a new doll. But she gets an old one. Okay. Now fourth one is write the opposites of the following words. Buy, sell. Pretty, ugly. Front, back. Thick, thin. T-H-I-N, thin. B-U-Y, buy. S-E-L-L, sell. Pretty, P-R-E-T-T-Y, pretty. Ugly, U-G-L-Y. Front, F-R-O-N-T, front. Back, B-A-C-K, back. Then thin, T-H-I-C-K, thick. T-H-I-N, thin. Thick, thin. Last, first. F-I-R-S-T, first. Last, first. Hot, cold. C-O-L-D, cold. Tall, short. S-H-O-R-T, short. Laugh, cry. laugh, cry. Friend, enemy, ENEMY. Friend, enemy. Cloudy, cloudy, sunny, SUNNY. These are the opposite words. Write the opposite of the following words. So this from page number homework from page number 37, that is third one. Use the following objective to make sentences of your own. From there 37, page number 37 to 40. Whatever I have given you now, you write for two times. You write for 2 times and learn by heart. We will meet in the next video, children. Thank you.